As we head into the final months of 2024, I wanted to share with you 5 things that you need to be doing to avoid losing money in the fall or winter of 2024. Flipping during this season is a whole different ballgame than flipping during spring and summer, so listen up. Number 1, correct your ARV or your after repair value according to the season. If you're evaluating a potential deal in September or October using sold comps from June or July, and the flip is going to hit the market in November or December, then the July ARV is not going to hold in November or December. The ARV is not a static number. It changes based on the season. The buyer activity and prices typically cool significantly over the end of the year as more and more people shift into the holiday season mode. So your ARV calculations have to reflect that. If you need help adjusting or estimating your ARV accurately based on data, feel free to reach out to me and I will provide the assistance that you need. Number 2, check your calendar. The Thanksgiving and Christmas season tend to be the times of the biggest market contraction. It will negatively affect your bottom line if you do not prepare for it. If you're taking a property under contract in September, your rehab takes 2 to 2.5 months, and your estimated going to market time is middle of November, you will actually be hurting your future purchase price by putting it on the market in the middle of Christmas or Thanksgiving holidays. In that case, you will be well advised to stretch out your rehab time or to slow down your rehab and then put it on the market in January when the buyers are back from vacation. So plan around the holiday schedule and avoid putting your property on the market when everybody has left the town. Number 3, and that's a big one, make sure to check the property's zip code performance over the past year before you commit your finances and your resources to the property. If that specific zip code has more than 4 months of inventory built up, that is a big red flag for you. You will need to adjust your ARV value one more time downwards to accommodate for a higher competition among homes who are also trying to sell. Because if they've been in the market for a long enough time, they're probably cutting prices. You need to understand what your competition looks like before you decide how to price your home. If you need detailed data on the zip code performance, including the months of inventory measurement, you can get that information through membership in my Prop Shop One community. The data is published monthly for your convenience. Number 4, if your property is already on the market and it's just not selling as fast as you would like it to, I recommend considering changing your approach. One option is to use a more advanced selling program, for example, 72 sold flip. I have multiple videos on my channel explaining the 72 sold flip process and how it helps home sellers who are stuck in a slow market to sell faster. So if you're struggling to sell, make sure to check those videos out. And finally, number 5, be picky about environmental factors influencing your property. Stay away from homes that have excessive levels of noise, for example, backing up to noisy streets or being next to schools with constant band practices. Also stay away from high voltage lines or busy intersections because people with small children tend to avoid those properties. Also, be cautious of corner lots, properties with solar panels, and floor plans that feature a master bedroom on the second floor, especially if it's uncommon for that area. If your property is next to a creek or a body of water, that is great, but make sure to check the flood zone. All of these factors can reduce your buyer pool even more during an already slow season. Therefore, avoid them at all costs. So there you have it. The 5 essential tips for avoiding costly mistakes and making sure that your flips are profitable during this fall and winter season. Remember, flipping in a declining market requires a lot more caution and discipline than flipping in a rising market. Avoid over-improving during the flipping. Conversely, avoid false economy. Do not spend money on countertops or backsplash or tile that were really popular 5 years ago but are now on a discount shelf. There is a reason why they're on a discount shelf. Go with good neutral materials that are popular this year, not 3 years ago. Overall, with careful planning and good disciplined execution, you will be able to take any flip and turn profit on it during any season of the year. Want more guidance on adjusting your ARV or access data that could help you to do flips smarter? Join Prop Shop One membership to gain access to exclusive data sets that are being used by the most serious investors. Or feel free to reach out to me for a personalized advice. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and more strategies. I've got a video coming out next week about the best 5 zip codes for long-term rentals in North Texas, and you do not want to miss that one. If you need help finding more off-market property that would fit your investment criteria, or if you would like to get access to data to help to formulate your investment strategies, let me know. I can help. My name is Elena Garrett, and I am a realtor with Keller Williams Central in Dallas. May the math be with you for your next deal. See you next time.